Homatakiasen, namaste, sarve mere richtadar. So, Osio, all my relatives. Ahowan ICrow here, also known as Freebird. I'm grateful for all of those who have given me all of my names as I have made this beautiful travel through this earth plane right along here with you. It takes all of us now. So thank you for being here on this earth and joining this little travel through, whether yours is an ocean or a desert plain or a forest or a mountain range, whatever your walk is here. Thank you for being here, because it does take all of us to walk each other home. So I'm here today with the Animal Astrology and all our relations oracle deck for this week. And I don't claim to be an astrologist. I do not claim to be an oracle reader. I don't claim to be necessarily anything. I'm just here, like all of us, having fun on this earth. And so for right now, this journey is a whole lot of fun. And so I'm having fun learning about astrology and connecting it with the animalistic and feeling it in an animalistic, energetic way. For me, a big part of my DNA is native, and for millennia, humans in general have been learning about themselves through all of the other animals, because we're animals too. So we're like, and so we learned like democracy from antelope. We learned maple syrup from a squirrel in a maple tree. We've learned so much about ourselves through the non-human animals. How to live in harmony, we learned through the non-human animals. And so it's innate, it's in our DNA. It's a part of who we are, connecting with nature, because we are created, our bodies, from Mother Earth. So anyway, enough of that. I don't do any type of background or editing. I hop right here with you. I am like spontaneous, raw, and real. Not that there is anything wrong with the backgrounds and all of the other things. It's just not a part of who I am. I'm just, hey, here we are. So I do have some music playing in the background. It's my understanding. I don't have any copyrights with it, anything like that, but this music was created to be played along with yoga classes and so forth. So I believe it is copyright okay. But I'd have no claims to the music. So I'm putting that out there in the front. So let's go ahead and dive into our oasis and see what animals are going to come in. I know last week, I believe, we kind of landed with our lion and our lion and our dove, and maybe our raven was there too, I believe, all kind of hanging out. No, the raven hadn't shown up yet, but all hanging out with our elephant, going, how do we expand this that I've learned with all of those different transits? So let's go ahead, take a couple of nice deep, oh, wait a minute. Let's set the stage a little bit here. So I've come out of all our relations morning fire this morning. And our topic this week is, what is high magic? So if you want, tune in. We're going to be talking about it all week long. But here we have some sweetgrass. here's some for you. Breathing in some of that sweet breath of the Creator and calling in our ancestors. So, nice deep breath in, hold it. Gather anything not needed in the moment. And breathe it away. Another nice deep breath in. Hold it. And anything unseen or unseen. And exhale, settling into the body. Feeling those shoulders gently relax. Another nice deep breath in. And exhaling it nice and gently, settling into that oasis of the heart. To that water source where our orca has swum all the way out. We can't even see our orca. She's gone all the way out to commune with the deep, deep ocean. And our lion is sitting with the elephant, and so is our dove. And that's correct. Yes, all of our animals are there except for our vulture. Our vulture has gone hidden, taking all that we gave the vulture, and she is dissecting it and transmuting it and transforming it. She's going to be doing that for the next 5 months. We gave her a lot to recalculate and reconfigure. She's going to take her time and digest it, transmute it, reform it. Kind of that highest form of magic. So, what are our animals going to share with us this week? Breathing in and breathing out. The raven. Here's the raven flying along, coming to join the elephant, our shapeshifter, our sacred law, that essence of ourselves that weaves between the lion, this earth plane, this who we are, our lion inside, our ego that we were created to be, and the highest potential between heaven and earth. That's what the raven represents, at least for me. Raven for you may be something different. But that sacred law, going, this is what, and how do I need to, how can I expand this, Jupiter? I believe the raven came from, came from our bison. And the bison is that abundance through right prayer. So focusing, we spoke about that this morning, focusing on what we want to create, the positivity, and we will receive more of that. So taking that sacred law to our Jupiter for expansion. Expanding on that ego that is connected with those good things and how to expand it and bring it out into the world. And then, oh, it's Raven again. Raven's gonna go fly over to the bat and go, okay, this is what I need to listen for. This is what I need to send my sonar out for. This is what I need to focus on. Listen, listen, listen. This is the direction. So it feels like an assimilation week. All the other planets, all the other animals seem to be very quiet, kind of hanging out there at the forest's edge, sharing their support. While Vulture is hidden and digesting, it's the Raven that is making the flight to the elephant, from the bison to the elephant. To the bat, while our orca swims way out to sea with those new seeds to plant. In the middle of the ocean, singing those songs. Oh, so while you rest in there, I'm gonna do a little shuffle here with the orca deck. Whee! Oh, we have the orange tanager feather pop out. Orange tanager. And card number 145. Oh, well, this is definitely very, very prominent. Look at this. It's gathering all those little fractal pieces. All those little pieces that we have learned over the past couple weeks with our dove and our raven visiting all the different aspects of ourselves. Communing with the bison as to, okay, this is what I want to put together. This is what I want to let go of. This is what I have learned. And now I'm turning over to the vulture all of these pieces to be transmuted and reconfigured. And my raven is stopping at the bison as to, okay, this is what I want to create. What's my abundance? What's my prayer? What's my, and to expand on that. Ooh, very powerful. So all the pieces can come back together. So number 145, this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing and feeling with this. Maybe you're seeing and feeling something different. But we also have shedding and dissolving our heart barriers. So yeah, Here we go. Have an enjoyable week shape-shifting with your raven and your elephant and bison. Bringing out that true love, that true dove of yours, that true lion heart. Hey, hey. So, there's only one life, and that life is Creator's life. And that life is breathing through, as, and for each and every one of us. It knows, that Great Spirit knows exactly what it created each one of us to be. It knows the deep, deep depths of our hearts and is dissolving those barriers in a beautiful, perfect, synchronized way to bring out that true lion heart with that gorgeous dove, that gorgeous, gorgeous love that's inside of our hearts, to shape shift it to hear and send out those signals, that beautiful right prayer, keeping us focused on what our piece of the puzzle is, to experience the beautiful magic of life that is our experience, to savor that gorgeous deliciousness. So as we hum and sing and tone for the health of our soul, our mind, and our bodies, may that sacred law be beneficent in melting our dove hearts and bringing out that lion roar in our forest this week. Hey, hey. And so it is, and so it shall be. Right here, right now. Aho. Dhanyawad.